So me and Tracey with the fridge, we got a race. Heads up, pro tree. The only stip is I had to drive this to the track. I drove it here, so I'm here to race. So I'm gonna make some shakedown heads. They keep saying that I gotta be in the lanes in 10 minutes or I gotta pay punk out, which that's not how it works. If it said I gotta be in the lanes by 8, so be it. But we didn't say anything on that stip, so I go to the lanes at 9:55 if I want.
Waiting on the race. 9:20, they're gonna call the lanes if they don't come on.
Sounds like, hey, you ready over here?
I'm ready. Car sitting right there ready.
Man, how long you been waiting over here? How long you been waiting all night for this?
I've been waiting since I got here at 6 o'clock.
9:32.
It's gonna happen, man.
No, I don't think it's happening. 9:34. 38 to right.
Yeah, it's gonna happen, man. Hey, it's gonna happen, man.
Hell no.
It's gonna happen, man.
Yeah, I don't know. Probably not.
It ain't gonna happen.
I'm hungry. I'm about to go home.
It's happening, baby.
They keep claiming I didn't drive it, but hand on the Bible, swear to God on my life, we drove it all the way. Justin followed me.
Yeah, didn't hook up to it once, anything. Drove straight here.
We cooled it down twice. We cooled it down once in the stop. No, we didn't cool. We only cooled it down once.
Once, yeah.
Yeah, we pulled over at like some bar and grill, cooled it off. Got it.
The live feed on his Facebook, pulled out of his garage and drove. So
yeah, pushing it. I mean, the thing accelerates from like 30 to 70. Like anybody that's ever pushed with a smart car knows they ain't got that kind of balls.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gonna happen. Yeah, it's gonna happen.
We talked about this last night. What's your prediction?
I mean, we may see a fireball out of this. We'll see. It's gonna be a good race either way. They showed up. We're a little late getting the lanes, but hey, it is what it is. We're gonna have fun regardless.
Who's your pick?
I mean, I'm going with Tracey, and he ain't scared of nobody. It don't matter if Stevie Fast pull up next to him, he'll race him.
Hey, anybody got a little side money on this?
Yeah, they got $1,000 on it.
I'm talking about side.
Oh, side money? I don't know. I don't know about side money. Ain't nobody come to me about a bet yet, so.
You'll take them though if they come.
I'll take it.
Got it.
Yeah.
I guess it's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
All right.
Push your drove.
Hey, since y'all the feature out here, what y'all talking about over here?
All I know is his live feed. His person lets you with that. None of us get fined on Facebook.
Just to let y'all know, this is Josh Noe over here. He's been talking all night.
That's right, motherfuckers.
Fucking pro mod against the goddamn street car.
You know me. You know I stand by my goddamn self. I don't need none of these motherfuckers here. And only 2 of these out of all these motherfuckers here raise their hand that they like me. I've been waiting on him for 3 hours.
Y'all clear out of the way.
I want to put it forward.
wasn't talking about you in that car. He was talking about since he's got a Caprice, like Caprice. Like,
I'm gonna say.
now he's got the cow. Like, if you want to try something with the cow,
Next time we're out.
Hey! Anybody trying to foot race?
My money's on Chase.